Hey, I'm Scott Burgess, aka the Branding Teacher, and I have over 11 years of branding and marketing experience across so many different industries. Do-it-yourself branding for entrepreneurs is the perfect course for entrepreneurs or small business owners who want to learn all the strategies and skills in order to brand their businesses on their own without breaking the bank. I'm going to be covering so many different topics, including how to complete your competitive research, how to figure out your brand name, determine your brand messaging, all things graphic design, including logo creation, font selection, figuring out your color palette, and some basic graphic design skills. I'm going to teach you how to create your brand guidelines, go over how to prepare yourself for your website creation, and touch on some marketing materials. I'm also going to give you a lot of free resources and templates to help guide you through this entire process and make it easy for you. And finally, I'm going to follow this entire process and do a mock branding for a fake business in order to show you how it's done. It's going to be a great course. I haven't seen anything quite like it on the online course market. So if you're interested in learning how to do everything branding, this is the online course for you.